Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, all for you. Today let me introduce you this here. Oh, that looks really cool because this is an battery high pressure cleaner. Wow. Yeah. And this device is compatible with the Makita 18-volt batteries. And if you are a DIYer, you can have these Makita 18-volt batteries at home, still at home. With 45 bar mobile portable high pressure cleaner, it comes with 6 and 1 multifunctional rotary nozzle and a 5-meter hose. 360 liters per hour are possible to pump through that nozzle. It's IPX5 for a car, for the terrace, and it comes without a battery, so you can make this use where you need it. No power supply is needed by wire because it is battery operated. Really cool. This portable high pressure cleaner is equipped with a powerful 77-5 motor. It reaches a maximum pressure of 45 bar and a maximum flow rate of 360 liters per hour, which allows even stop-borne dirt to be removed from cars, terraces, and outdoor areas without effort. This wireless rivet gun is compatible with the Makita 18-volt max lithium batteries, such as the BA 1820, 1830, 1840, 1850, or 1860, etc. This gives us a flexibility for which we have a sufficient battery at home. Okay, the battery is not included, so you need it extra, sold separately. This improved the 6-in-1 nozzle offers a full range of spray pattern. 0 degrees, 50 degrees, 25 and 40 degrees. Concentrated jet and shower modes. So this makes it versatile for nearly all cleaning scenarios. It's perfect for cars, for bicycles, for walls, for windows and hard-to-reach corners. In addition, a foam boiler is included. It produces effective cleaning foam, and for removing stop-borne stains, for example. The battery high-pressure cleaner is equipped with a 5-meter long hose that offers a large working radius than other models on the market. The built-in filter basket effectively filters particles out of it. It leaves and other impurities, so we can conventionally draw water from the pool or of a river. The faucet adapts, fits, and standard faucets. So you have 2 modes which you can use. One, the wired mode, but not with an electrical wire. It is a wire with water supply. And the other is, of course, get a tank nearly or a river nearly, and you need or you use the included pipe with it. Oh yeah, that's really cool. You can get it in a faucet or you can get it in a tank. No problem. With the only 1.4 kilogram weight, this portable pressure washer is easy to transport. It comes with understandable operation knowledge that allows us a quick assembly because the only thing is we have 2 nozzles, we can get them into position. Then, of course, we can have a pipe which we have to dock to it, and the pipe can come on a faucet, for example, or on a river, on a tank of water or something else, and then we can start connect the battery, and we are ready for action. Because thanks to the quick connect ports, this can be done in just a few steps. The included storage case ensures an easy carrying and safe storage of that device, making it perfect for mobile use. The pressure washer versatile 16 nozzle, foam cattle, a 5-meter thick hose, faucet connector, a shut-off valve, improved weight filter, storage box, all is included. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.